Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make home kefir. First, gather your essential supplies. You'll need active kefir grains, about 1 tablespoon, and fresh milk, preferably whole milk, around 2 to 4 cups. Also, prepare a clean glass jar, a non-metal spoon, and a fine mesh strainer. Cleanliness is key for successful fermentation, so make sure everything is spotless before you begin. Now, let's start the fermentation. Gently place your 1 tablespoon of kefir grains into the clean glass jar. Pour in 2 to 4 cups of fresh milk. Do not seal the jar tightly. Instead, cover it loosely with a lid, coffee filter, or cloth secured with a rubber band. This allows air exchange while keeping out contaminants. Let it sit at room temperature, ideally between 68 and 78 degrees Fahrenheit, for 12 to 24 hours. After 12 to 24 hours, your kefir is ready to harvest. Place a fine mesh, non-metal strainer over a clean bowl or jar. Pour the fermented milk and grains into the strainer. Gently shake or stir the grains with a non-metal spoon to help the thick kefir pass through. The grains will remain in the strainer, ready for your next batch. Your fresh, homemade kefir is now collected and ready to enjoy. Once you've separated your grains, immediately place them into fresh milk to start a new batch, or store them in milk in the refrigerator for a break. Your freshly made kefir can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 1 week. It's delicious plain, or you can blend it with fruits, honey, or spices for a flavored treat. Enjoy the benefits of your homemade probiotic-rich drink.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.